Hello, I'm Ollie and I'm here to show you how ACL rules and health checks can be configured in seconds using our new interface. These are new features available in the 8.6 version of our appliance. So to modify your ACL rules, you'll first need to modify your VIP by clicking the pencil icon, scrolling down, and you will get to the section called ACL rules. I already have some predefined rules here, but we'll get to them later. First, let's add a new rule. To add a rule, simply press Add Rule, and you will be able to select the type of rule that you want to add. So you have different options available from path, header hosts, queries, options based upon a flag, IP address, port, and if nothing that you want to use is in that list, you can also use free type, which has the whole HA proxy configuration available. For this example, let's do something based upon the path. So I want everything that equals /ACL redirect to a URL location. So this can be an external URL, and I'm going to redirect it to the HA proxy blog on the introduction to HA proxy ACLs. I can then press OK, and then anything that goes to path equals ACL will be redirected to the ACL rules blog. Now ACL rules are run in order, so you will need to reorder your rules to be in the order you wish them to be run. I want that one to be run first before anything comes from the IP address and gets a flag set. It's important to note you can't run anything after use server because your rules would have already been run. To confirm that rule, simply go to the bottom and hit update, and you will need to reload a HA proxy to commit those changes. So there, we've added a new ACL rule. So now we have our path equals ACL rule and redirects to your URL location. And we also have something based upon an IP address. So everything from 192.168.64.0/22 will set flag internal, and this will be our internal traffic. We can then make options based upon that flag. Everything from internal will use web server 1. Everything that does not equal internal will use web server 2. And this is a way you can separate your internal and external traffic. You can also set headers based on your flags. So here, everything that hits the flag internal will add my internal use header and set the value to 1. As previously mentioned, we also made changes to our health checks. As a lot of you may be familiar, we have our default health checks built into the web UI, but we've made some changes to the external scripts. You can now edit external scripts directly in the web UI by pressing the pencil, and you get an option to type new configuration options to your script. We have a list of templates available, so if you want to add a new health check, you can simply title it, tell you what virtual service you want to add it to. This works across layer 4 and layer 7, but it also works with our global server load balancer as well. You can use a health check from a blank template, or you can use an example of a predefined health check that you can make small configuration changes to. Once you've added your new health check, you can title it, and simply press update. Once you've updated, it will add to the list of health checks. And if you modify your virtual service again and go to your drop down menu for your external scripts, you'll see the HTTP header that we've just added. To confirm those changes, simply go to update, reload HA proxy to commit the changes, and you are using a new health check for your virtual service. That is it for today's demo of the new changes in our appliance. If you have any questions, please contact us and we'll be happy to assist you.